Had a little accidental over there. My foot hit one of the curves and my hand slipped down towards the tire, and then it ripped my little piece of skin there. But you know, look at this view over here. There's no view. There's no fucking view. But look at that hill. Fuck. Gotta offer the ground a little bit of blood. You know, just to wait so it waits for you a little longer. Gotta give it a little offering. Fucking shit. I gotta see if I got a little electrical tape in here, so I can tape it up. Fuck. I'm almost out of here. I'm almost out of this spot. But it's alright, it's okay.